guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this Valentine's Day makeup look. So let's get right into it. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Be Bella Go Pro palette, and I'm going to start using the Sunset shade. And I normally like to start my makeup looks with a very fluffy blending brush like this one, so that you get a big wash of the color, so that it serves as a good base for the entire makeup look. As you can see, this shadow, it's very mauvey, very rosy. It's honestly so beautiful, and I am basically applying it all over my entire lid. The second shade I'm using, it's called Cheek. And with this one, it's almost similar to the first shadow that we used, but it's a little bit warmer. And because of that, I'm concentrating this one right along the crease, and you want to use a smaller blending brush. And essentially, you want to build up the intensity that you prefer. I personally just want the crease to look a little bit more warm, and that way I'm gonna have a little bit more definition. Next, I'll be cutting my crease using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Feel free to use any concealer of your choice, but basically, you want to do small little strokes every time you do a cut crease, and just take your time when you're tracing the line so that it's as precise as possible. With this, I'm going to be cutting my entire lid, and then I'm going to fill it in with the rest of the concealer. I actually set my concealer with this Dust shadow from the same palette, but you don't necessarily have to set the concealer because we're gonna go in with glitter after. I'm using glitter by Kandy Causemetics in Double Bubble, and they actually sell this liquid sugar that I mix in a little tray with the glitter, and it basically makes the glitter become a pasty consistency so that it's easier to apply it on the eyelids. There was hardly any fallout, and it honestly made application so much easier. I know glitter looks amazing, but it can be hard to work with sometimes, and I really love how intense the eye glitter looked on the eyes. As you saw, I didn't use anything as a base, and it still looked really nice. I had a little bit of fallout, but it was easy to clean with a makeup wipe. Now I'm using my NYX matte liquid liner to create a wing liner. I personally always start at the wing to trace how far I'm gonna have my wing, and then I bring it inwards and fill in the gap where I want the eyeliner to be placed. Let me know if you're interested in a tutorial how I do different wing liners. I normally like to use gel liner, but because I was working with glitter, this liquid eyeliner is easier to apply. But let me know in the comments down below. And I'm also tight lining my upper and lower lash lines with a black liner. Just make sure that it is long wearing so that it doesn't move. Now for mascara, I'm using the BFF Colourpop Neo Mascara just to coat my lashes. We are going to go in with falsies after, and the lashes I'm using are this ones by Lashes in a Box in the style 30. These lashes are not so dramatic, they're more in the natural looking side, but I think you can definitely wear more dramatic lashes if you prefer. I went ahead and did foundation and concealer off camera, but now we're back working on the lower lash line, and I'm using the same eyeshadows that I used in the crease, the two Mauvey Rosy shades from the Be Bella Cosmetics palette. I'm also using the black eyeshadow from the Soft Glam palette. You can use any black eyeshadow. This is just the one that I had handy. But with this one, I'm only bringing it in the very outer part, really close to the lash line, just to intensify the darkness on my lower lash line. And you want to make sure to apply a very tiny amount and make sure to blend everything out. And I actually decided to bring down my upper eyeliner all the way into the tear duct to connect it to my lower lash liner. You don't have to do this step, but I personally think that it adds something special to the eye look and it looks really cool. So just go back to your regular black eyeliner if you need to fill in the waterline a little bit more. and just do whatever you think is gonna look better. To highlight that inner corner, I'm using this Fuego highlighter from the Desi X Katie collection, and just try to work around the eyeliner so that you don't smear the black eyeliner, of course. And we're only missing mascara in the lower lash line and the eye makeup look is complete. I'm using this Sigma Sculpt highlight and contour palette to give more definition to my face. I'm applying it right below my cheekbones, forehead, and of course the jawline. I also like going back to the lightest shade in this contour palette to slightly contour my nose. Next, I'm using this blush from the Sigma Cheek palette to bring more life back into my cheeks. Now I'm going back to the Sigma highlight and contour palette. I'm using the lightest shade from the highlight row, and with this I'm highlighting my cheekbones, nose, and anywhere where you want to apply highlight. And I just have to cut and bake under my contour so that my face is more defined and more sculpted. Lastly, for my lips, I'm using this combo. I'll leave everything in the description box below, but it is a Dose of Colors No Shade lipstick in a LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Wear Lip Liner in the shade Nonstop Nude. This is honestly a recent find of mine. I love this lip liner. So natural and they last for a very long time. Every time I wear a nude lipstick, I always have to line my lips and then go after with the lipstick. As you see, this lipstick is actually a little bit light for me, but just bear with me. I am gonna blend it in with the lip liner, and then afterwards I did ended up topping it with a clear lip gloss just so that I get that glossy effect. Okay, now the last step, seal your makeup. I'm using the Morphe setting spray and that completes this makeup look. Alright guys, so that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know if you end up recreating it. I want to know. Make sure to tag me on Instagram so that I can see your picture. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.